Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executives in Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Piccadilly Martini. So the Piccadilly Martini is came out of London and out of the Savoy restaurant.
Okay.
And it's actually what they call a classic cocktail, but it's only 1930. So that's actually not that old because we have lots of drinks on this show that are older than that.
Okay.
But this one has a bit of an oddity in that it has absinthe in it.
Okay.
So even though it's got lots of gin and lots of vermouth, we know that the absinthe is going to bring in that licorice flavor.
Yeah, I'm a little hit and miss on...
Me too. But I'm just, hey, it's called a classic.
Okay.
So we're going to go with 4 shots. This is for 2 people. So 4 shots of gin. So it normally would be really gin forward. But because it's got the absinthe, now we're going to go 2 of the dry vermouth.
Dry Vermouth.
Which is more than what you would normally add for a classic martini. So already kind of the classic martini is out the window.
Okay.
Now they say an 1/8 of an ounce for 1 drink. So this would be 1/4 of an ounce for 2 drinks. But we're going to go even less. The last time we used absinthe, it was pretty strong licorice flavor, and we had somebody write in and tell us you need to put just a hint of it. So that's good. It's almost like when you add bitters to a drink.
Okay, we'll see. I might have gone heavy.
You didn't add much. So
And then...
again, about the same thing with Grenadine.
Okay.
This will just add a little bit of
Color.
and a little bit of sweetness to it, but there you go. And
Shake on ice.
make it on ice.
Okay.
Okay, and then strain that. We can smell the licorice already.
Yeah,
And we bought this bottle of absinthe and we're going to use it. Like,
it fires up quick.
ooh, pretty. Okay, the Piccadilly. You can smell the gin in it.
Not a lot in there.
No.
Cheers.
Okay, let's give this a shot. You can definitely taste the licorice in it.
Yeah, that's not my cup of tea.
Okay, the next time we decide to use absinthe,
It tastes like soap.
that's not, well, licorice flavored soap, but yes. Like, it's like one of the strongest licorice kind of candy flavors you could ever have, eh?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that one. So
I would say
try
this
it
is
if you like soap, but
it's not
this is not my.
not a go, this one here.
I'm gonna put that down.
No, I'm gonna take one more. Just
Cheers.
No, shouldn't have done that.